Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard Free IP Blocking. How do I know which IP addresses to exclude? The first step to identifying IP addresses for exclusion is to set up a third-party tool that will allow you to view the IP addresses of your ad engagement or establish some way of checking your web server logs. This may sound complex, but with TrafficGuard you can get set up very easily with no coding or development required. TrafficGuard Protect PPC gives you granular visibility of your traffic quality, and depending on your budget, you might even get it for free. You can then manually update your blacklist based on industry-leading fraud detection without it costing you a cent. 5 steps to identify IP addresses for exclusion. Step 1. Sign into TrafficGuard Protect PPC. Don't have an account? Sign up here. Step 2. In the menu on the left, click PPC Click Report. This report gives you an in-depth view of all the clicks your ads have received across your campaigns, along with key information like click status, source, location, device ID, etc. Step 3. Click on the plus sign next to filters on top of this list, then select status. Step 4. On the status filter dropdown, select invalid to see all the clicks from your campaigns that TrafficGuard has identified as invalid, along with their invalidation reasons. Step 5. Click on the Export to CSV button on the right-hand corner above the list to download a copy of this list. Once you have this list from TrafficGuard, head over to your Google Ads account to manually block each of these IP addresses. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.